Viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today I am going to teach you about how to use the lift. Most of the people don't know how to use the lift. Maybe someone using first time. So we are inside now. So this button is used for calling. Maybe if you stuck inside the lift, you can call. And another one is the bell for emergency. These are the three floors: ground floor, and first floor and second floor. So this lift is for three floors: ground, first and second. So this we press ground floor now, and we'll press this button is used to open the gate again. If you are inside and someone is coming back, so you can open. And this button is used when you come inside, and then you can press this quickly, it will close the door. So we are press the ground button. Let's see, I'm going to ground now. This is the lift is on the ground now. I press on the first floor. I'm on first floor, so the lift is coming back to the first floor when I press this button. You can see this, the lift came and open, and now we'll go to the ground floor. I press the ground button and the door is closed, and you can see, I'll show you this lift is going to the ground now. So this is all about how to run the lift. Thanks for watching.